Jesus is the new wave. Still drop.
I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this natural look makeup. This is so simple. There's not so much going on. It is not dramatic. I'm really grateful for all the love you guys have been showing me. Continue to let that love flame burn. Stay tuned and see how I got this look done. I love you guys so much. Continue to like, guys, share. Please leave your comment, recommend videos. Just continue to stay connected to me and you will see what I got on the inside of me. And thank you so much. And
let's get right into this video. First, we're going to use our spoolie to brush our eyebrows. Next, we'll be using our eyebrow pencil to outline our eyebrows. Right now, I'm using my brow pencil to shape out my eyebrows in a way that I would like it to be. Next, I'll be using this flat brush in order to conceal my eyebrows with the Eyeliner Pro Concealer. Make sure you take your time when you conceal your eyebrow because it needs some patience for you to get a perfect job. If you can notice, this my video is a little bit fast forward, so that's why I encourage that you take your time when you conceal your eyebrow. Right now I'm going to be using this black radiant uh concealer to conceal the upper part of my eyebrow. This concealer is in a shade that is more closer to my skin tone because this is going to be very easy for me to blend with my skin when I apply my foundation. So right now I'm using this eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrow after I conceal both the lower and the upper part of my eyebrows. So next I'll be using this round concealer blending brush to clean my concealer. This brush is everything when it comes to blending my concealer. So taking your time, make sure you blend your concealer nice and neat. Notice that because I use a concealer that is really close to my skin tone, the upper part of my brow was so much easier when it comes to blending. I'll be going back again with this flat concealer brush that I used previously to conceal my eyebrows in order to give my eyebrows some natural style. And mind you, this brush is just with the leftover product on it. I did not add any additional product. So just using that leftover product that we use for our concealer to give this eyebrow a natural start. Right now we are done with our eyebrows. Right now we'll be moving on to our eyeshadow and we'll be using this Perfect 23 matte colors by Naked New York. I'll be using this round brush to start off with my transition color, and in this Perfect 23 matte colors I'll be using this reddish orange color to start off with. I love this palette because it just gives me that pigment that I looked for when I'm going in for a smoky eye. This one is going to be much more of a natural smoky, you know. Next, I'll be using this angle fluffy brush to blend my eyeshadow. I'll be focusing more on my crease and going out toward my brow bone. Right now, I'm going to be going in with the next color. There's a color right next to the the one that I used previously, but this one is, you know, like a tone down to the first one. Taking this color, I'm focusing more on my crease, making sure that I have enough product on both sides of my eyelid. Right now I think it's enough. I like this palette because it is, you know, very smoky and well pigmented. In the same palette, I'm gonna go in with this chocolate shade to define this look by starting on the outer part of my eyelid and working my way inward. Next, I will now go in with this fluffy blending brush to blend everything in and also to clean every harsh line. Using this tiny eyeshadow brush and the masquerade palette, I'm gonna use this shimmer color on my tear dot. This is the palette, guys, and this is the shimmer color. Next, I'll be using this liquid eyeliner by Kiss. Make sure you take your time when you do this so that you have a neat and a clean job. Now we'll be using these eyelashes by Kiss on our eyes. And I'll be using this clear eyelash glue by Kiss. And with the help of my tweezer, I'm going to hold this and blow it out until it is taggy. As you might notice, I had gone ahead and put in my other eyelash, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this one. So what you do is, with the help of your tweezer, place your lash in the middle and use your finger to adjust the eyelash or the tweezer. Sometimes I prefer the tweezer, sometimes I prefer my fingers. Now let's move on to our face. I'll be using this matte face primer to start off with, making sure I apply it on my entire face. I'll be using this Black Radiant foundation. Mind you, this foundation is very cheap, but it is full coverage, 100%. Make sure you're using the dapping technique to apply your foundation. This will prevent your product from moving around. Right now, I'll be using the same Eyeliner Pro concealer that I used to conceal my bottom part of my eyebrow to highlight my under eye, my T-zone, and my chin. And next, I'll be using the sponge to blend my concealer. It's very easy to blend. Next, I will be going in now with this banana setting powder to set my concealed areas. While I allowed that to set, I'm gonna go in with my black opera foundation stick to contour my face and my nose. I'll be going in with this angled contour brush to blend my contour. Going in with this fluffy brush, I'm going to dust away the excess product that you are seeing on my face right now. Using the same contour angle brush, I am going to go into the black radiant contour palette again to just redefine my contour with the darker shade in the contour palette. Here we are on my favorite part. I'm gonna go in the same black radiant contour palette using the shimmer highlighting shade. I will highlight my nose, my brow bones, and my cheek bones.
Thinking about all the joy you brought in my life. Morning, night, I'll be singing it out. Let them know that my king is alive. Tell them you can give the weary more life. Tell them stop the crying cause there's no more night. Oh, na. Oh, listen, see. Today, somebody must praise his name.
Right now I'm gonna use this. It's like a burgundy color, but then it's a little bit dark. It's like a dark brown burgundy color. I'm going to use it to outline my lips. It's almost finished, guys. Yes, I need to get me a new one. I know that. And next I will be using a concealer at the center of my lips. Yes, a concealer. Most of the time when I want to go with the nude lip, that is what I use. Like this work magic. This work magic and stay all day long. Oh wow, look at that. That's pretty. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bones. Keep in mind, this is the part that you don't want to miss because it gives you a look at definition. Right now I'm gonna use this second shade that I showed you guys earlier to just give some definition on the lower part of my eye, just so they can, you know, relate. And voila! Please remember to use your setting spray to set your face. This is the clip that I lost, so I'm sorry about that. This is the end of my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.